these particular things. So these are the tabs. Okay, this is the grouping. You can see on the screen the font group. In font group, whatever you can do with the font can be done. Like if you want to make font bold, you make the font, you want to make the font italic, underline, you want to change the size of the font, you want to give a shade to the font, or you want to make it, you want to give the color of the font, and so on. Similarly, we have the paragraph group, in which if you want to give the bullets, you want to give numbering, indentation, or the justification, that is left align, center align, right align, and justified things. So that is how the whole 2007 look is given.
Okay, you have told that to be in a presentations, that to be in a slides can be in a coming this in a pictures over that. How we can add this in a slide? How
yes.
to remove this in a slide?
Right. So how to?
One thing is a more important over that. How to be in a, we give this in a very colorful, means in how to we provide this in a theme over that.
Rightly. So we will start with the 2007, how to start 2007, and we'll see all the things, that issues like how to add, how to copy slide, and so on. Let us see. So I've just given a layout of the 2007 thing. When you launch 2007, the launching is the same. Either you can go from programs menu. If you have the desktop shortcut, you can double click on it. It will open the normal view. This is the normal view in which I have given numberings, like you will get a slide over here. This is how it will look. This is the slide, and I've given numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. These 1, 2, 3, 4 explains these are actually panes. It's like the first one is the slide pane. You can work directly on the individual slides. Dotted borders identify placeholders where you can type text or insert pictures, charts, and other objects. The slides tab shows a thumbnail version of each full-size slide shown in the slide pane, and you can click on a thumbnail on the slides tab to make the slide appear in the slide pane. I will just again repeat this, showing the thing. This is the slide pane in which you get the slide. Second, these are the dotted borders, placeholders. If you want to add title, you can add over here, click to add that. If you want to write something under that, you can click on the second holder. If you want to change this, that is also possible. We will just see that in few minutes. And this is the slide pane, the tab pane, in which it will show the number of slides. Like we have presently one slide, so then it will show 1. If you will add slide, this will have the thumbnail. It will show the thumbnail of the whole slide. You can also move the thumbnails from here. You can copy, you can delete, you can do all the things in this particular part as well. And the last one is the fourth part. That fourth part is the notes pane, in which the notes can be given. And this is how you can create a new presentation. To create a new presentation that is based on blank presentation template, click the Microsoft Office button. We have understood the Microsoft Office button. This is the Microsoft Office button, okay, which is given in the top left corner. You click on it, click on new, click on blank and recent under templates, and then click the create button. This is the layout which I have shown. You can see clicking on this and new, we will get a new window like this, in which it is under templates. The blank and recent part is selected over here. I will just tick it, and we get a blank presentation option here. If this is selected, just click on the create button. It will create a new presentation, and it will give you the normal view which we have seen just now. This is the normal view which we have seen. So this will be available in 2007. So once your presentation is started, you have to give the name of the presentation. You should save that. How to save is like this. It's a good idea to name and save. Click the Microsoft Office button. Again, clicking on the Microsoft Office button, you can point to save as and then do one of the following. For a presentation that can be opened only in Office PowerPoint 2007, select that thing, click PowerPoint presentation and give the name. The extension that will be used will be this, that is .pptx. This is for PowerPoint 2007. For PowerPoint 2003, the extension is .ppt. For a presentation that can be opened in either of the previous version, because we are using 2007, and if you have a PowerPoint presentation created in 2003 which you want to open in 2007, that also you can do. So for that you can use this earlier versions of PowerPoint, that is PowerPoint 97 2003 presentations. Select that, give the name and save. That is, in the Save As dialog box, in the Save In list, select the folder or the other location wherever you want to save your presentation. In the file name box, type a name for your presentation and click on the Save button. Now, normally to save continuously, the shortcut for saving is Ctrl+S, Control button and the S button. Or you can also use the quick access toolbar, that is the save option if you have in the quick access or if you have in the ribbon. This particular icon can also be clicked, which will be on the top of the screen. Now this is how you can add, rearrange and delete slides. The single slide that is provided in your presentation has two placeholders. Normally we have two placeholders available. One is the title and one is for the subtitle. The arrangement of the placeholder on the slide is called as layout. So how the arrangement is done, that is called as the layout. When you add a slide to your presentation, you can do the following to choose a layout for the new slide. On the Slides tab, click just below the single slide that already appears there. On the Home tab in the Slides group, click the arrow next to the computer slide. You can see on the screen the thing is shown. I will also show this directly. You can see over here, this is the sides pane. Okay. Now if I want to add the slide or that, I will click on Home and this is where you can do that. New slide. Whenever I will click on this, it will give me an option. This option is called as the Office theme and I can select the layout. For layout, I will just click on this layout option and I will use the layout option like this. I will just show you how to do it. Like for example, I want to add it over here, a slide. So I will just add new slide and I will use this particular title and content over text. So if I click on this, you can see the placeholders. There are three placeholders which I get. Click to add title, click to add text and click to add text. So I get three. I can click, okay, like testing the PowerPoint, click to add text. I can give added the slide and I can say testing, okay. So this is how you can see already the placeholders are given by the PowerPoint. Now, if I want to delete this, I can just go on and select this. This is the previous slide. I will select this and I will just delete it. I can press the delete button on the keyboard or I can right click, and after right clicking, I can just click on the delete slide. Now, supposedly if I want to use this and I want to copy this slide or rearrange the slide. So to rearrange the slide, I will just click this slide and I can drag it after this. If I drag it, it will change the order. So slide number 21 and 22 are interchanged. Supposedly by mistakenly, if I did this, I can use the undo button. The undo button is over here at the top of the presentation. And if as soon as I do it undo, the original thing will be available. So I will just resume the presentation again by clicking on Shift F5. Shift F5 will start the presentation from the slide where you want to start. F5 will actually start the presentation from the beginning and Shift F5 will start the presentation from the slide from which you want to start the presentation. So this is how the gallery will appear for the layout and the different Office themes are provided. The title slide, the title and the content, the section header, or if you want picture with caption or content with caption, whichever layout you want, you can select it and accordingly it will be applied on the slide. You can have the same layout for all of your slides, or you can also use different layouts for your different slides based on your requirement of the presentation. This is how you can copy a slide. I've just shown you the way. I will again just in brief will tell you. On the Slides tab, right click the slide that you want to copy and then click copy on the shortcut menu. Still on the slide tabs, right click wherever you want to add the new copy of the slide and then click paste on the shortcut menu. Let us do that. Okay, so I've just pressed the escape key. I want to copy this particular slide. That is, this is the slide number 23. I will just right click. I will click on the copy and I want to paste it at the after, say suppose after 2 or 3 slides over here. So I will click on this and I will just right click and say paste. So this way you can copy and paste the slide. Again, as I've done a wrong thing, I will just undo. Now same way, if I want to rearrange, I will on the slides tab, I will click and I will move it. So I can over here, I can copy and I can move. I can duplicate the slide also. I want the same slide again. I can duplicate the slide. So I get the 2 slides over here as the same, this one and this one. Okay. So this is how you can rearrange and copy the slide. I'll just resume the presentation again. So rearrange on the slides tab, click the slide that you want to move and then drag it to the location that you want to select multiple slides. Click a slide that you want to move and then press and hold Control while you click on each of the other slides that you want to move. This actually is if you want to move multiple slides, then you can select on this, press Control button and you can select other slides. So this way you can able to select 4 slides and you can copy 4 slides directly like this. You can click on copy and paste wherever you want. Next is how to give bullets. So format bulleted list. On the home tab in the paragraph group, do either of the following. To switch between a bulleted list and unbulleted text, select the text and then click on bullets. Or to change the style of the bullet characters in a bulleted list, click the arrow next to the bullets and then click the bulleted styles that you want. You can see over here, already the bullets are used. I'll just use the pointer options again. Pointer options, ballpoint pen. This is the bullet which have been used. I will change this bullet from the bullet option. So escape again. You can discard the ink annotations and over here you can click on this. This is the placeholder. Now in the paragraph tab, this is the paragraph group tab, you can go on the bulleted thing. So if I will click on this, it will unbullet it. So bullets has been gone. If I again do it, it can be done. If you want to change the bullet, you can click on the arrow over here and you can give the different bullet. So you can see the bullet has been changed. If you want to give more bullets, you can go on and select the bullets from here and likewise you can do. I will take the original bullet again and I will just resume the presentation. So this is how you can give the bullet to the presentation, and same way you can also give the numbering to your presentation. Different text can be given the numbering. Now how to change the appearance of the text that is there. So to change the appearance, you can again select the text like this. There are many ways to change the appearance of text. You can go on the home tab for formatting the font, style, size, color and paragraph characteristics to more advanced options such as animation or conversion to Smartart Graphics. I will just give you a demo of changing the appearance of the text. Supposedly if I want to change this particular text, I can select the text. After selecting the text, I can increase the font size. Say I can give like this. It has increased in a drastic manner. So I can again reset. I can change the font also. It is Calibri. I can use say Times font like this. So see, it has been changed. Times font has been changed. Same way, if I want to give bold face, the whole text will be bold. Then again selecting it. If I want to underline, I can underline the thing. And if I want to change the color can also be changed. See, a green color is given. So this is how the formatting can be done. And if suppose you don't want to do this, I want to resume my original, I will just undo the whole thing by pressing Ctrl Z. Again resuming. So this is how you can change the appearance of the text. Now how to apply a theme to your presentation. To apply a theme, first of all, let us understand what is a theme. Theme actually is something which gives a background and you can say a template to your presentation. It actually gives color also. Color combination can be treated as a theme, or if you want a picture to use as a background, then also you can create your theme. Then how to place your placeholders, that also defines your theme. On design tab in the themes group, click the document theme that you want to apply. To preview how the current slide looks with the particular theme applied, rest your pointer on the thumbnail of that theme. This is the a cutout of the theme. You can put the mouse on that particular theme and then the theme will be changed. You can preview that. To see thumbnails of additional themes, click the arrows next to the rows of thumbnails, that is over here. Let us see the themes. Presently the theme is this. Okay, I'm going on the theme thing on the design tab. This is a design tab. See, these are the themes available. This is the present theme. If I just put it on here, the theme has been changed. You can see the white background comes. And if I put it over here, you can see the gray background has appeared. So similarly, you can change the theme likewise. This is how the blue theme has been done. And if I click on this, I will get more themes this way also. So this is how you can give a background to your presentation as per your particular requirements. Even suppose if this is the theme you have selected and if you want to change the color, see from here you can change the color. You can take any particular combination. See, I'm just moving the mouse on the different options and the colors are changing. Okay, so this is how the colors can be changed. Color combinations can be taken for theme colors. And fonts also you can change. See, the fonts are getting changed. I'm just moving the mouse on different options. So the one font that you want, that combination also you can fix it and that you can use in the themes tab. Then you can also give the Smartart Graphics as rightly said. So you can give the effects as given over here. Actually, we have not used any object presently, so it is not showing any preview, but these are the different options, effects that we can use if we are using any objects. So I will resume the presentation again. So this is how you can add a theme to your presentation. Now next is next in the topic is clip art. How to add clip art. Again, what is a clip art? Like we have added a theme to the presentation, we have added a background. Many times we want to add some particular icons